How to delete project NBN Video Editor app on your Android phone.
If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to BN application and BN homepage to delete project in your BN Video Editor app. So I have 3 projects here. So for my example, I delete one of my project. To delete, okay, you can see here the 3 dot on the right side of this project. So for my example, I choose this one. To delete this, tap the 3 dot on the right side and the pop-up are show. And you can see here the move to trust. Tap the move to trust on the pop-up and another pop-up are show. So delete project. Delete project can be recovered in settings, project, trust, and 3 days. So if you want to recover your project, so you can see the project and settings, and you can also recover within 3 days. And if you want to delete, okay, tap OK button on the pop-up to delete or remove this project on your BN Video Editor app. So okay, that's it.